Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing great, and also my friends, I hope that you all are having a super happy, healthy, positive, very energetic and very active life with your family, with your friends. So my name is Purva and I welcome you all in my Indian vlog channel. From today's video title, you already know my friends that today I'm going to show the things that I usually do in the weekend to have a very productive week. I want to do almost everything to make sure that I have a very smooth sailing, very easygoing weekdays. But yes, my friends, I want to tell you here that all the weekends are not same. In some weekends, we do have some other plans. We have to attend some programs, some parties in our friends' place. Sometimes we invite our guests at our place. But yes, today I'll share my normal weekend routine with you all. The things that I love to do in Saturday and Sunday to have a very productive, very calm, and also at the same time very relaxing and very exciting weekend. Because weekend is a time when we have some time, some leisure to celebrate our life, because from Monday to Friday it's like all about rushing behind the time. But yes, in the weekend we have to take care of our health, we have to do some fitness, we have to organize our home, we have to clean, we have to cook. So yes, in today's video I'll show you everything. So now let's begin. And here comes the very first responsibility that I love to do in the weekend, and that is making my grocery list. Trust me, my friends, I love to make my grocery list because I love to go for grocery shopping. Many of you have already seen my grocery shopping haul, my weekly grocery shopping. So yeah, I love to do that. And before making any grocery list, I make sure that I see my fridge properly and I check my kitchen cupboard so that I buy the appropriate things. So yes, here is my grocery shopping list is done, and after that I'll make my weekly menu plan as well. So after making these two things, I go for grocery shopping in the Saturday. And this is how my weekly grocery shopping looks like. Most of the Saturday night, Saturday evening, we love to go for grocery shopping, as I told you. But yes, sometimes in Sunday morning also, me and Bikram, we both go and do our grocery shopping done. So here I have purchased rava, and here is rice flour. So these things actually, these are good enough for 2-3 weeks. But yeah, sometimes in the weekend I love to buy this stuff so that my inventory is full of this useful stuff. And here is carrots, just regular vegetables and fruits. Apple is there, and here is fish fillet. This fillet is good for 1 week, and also these chicken breast pieces, this is also good for 1 week. Here is rice, and obviously this rice will be also good for at least 3 weeks because this is 5 kg rice. And here is potatoes, onions, etc. And after doing the grocery shopping, first thing I love to do is to organize everything. Trust me, my friends, if you can organize everything just then and there, you will feel super relaxed and super happy. So I don't want to leave it for long time, otherwise I feel super lazy. So I'm organizing everything, and this thing also I mostly do in the Saturday night. And here comes my Sunday morning breakfast routine, which is absolutely special for me because on Sundays I love to make something special for Bikram. When I was a little child, I have seen that my mom also used to make so many different dishes, especially on Sunday for whole family. You already know that I am a Bengali girl, so yeah, I love to have my luchi torkari or puri torkari on Sundays. But yeah, sometimes I make chow mein, just like today I made it. And this is so special, super yummy. I have used all the Indian spices and all the masalas because Sunday is not a dieting day, so we can have whatever we want. So I made this very delicious chow mein today. I have added 2 poached egg on top just to have some extra taste and extra crunch. So yeah, my Sunday breakfast is ready. Now, breakfast is a very important meal in a day, so don't skip your breakfast, my friends. Especially on Sundays, I love to have very big breakfast because on the Sundays, I love to do some cleaning. So before cleaning routine, I love to have my full plate of yummy, delicious breakfast. And after having a super delicious breakfast, now it's time to do some work, and especially cleaning. I love to do my cleaning before making my lunch, and already in my kitchen I have done some lunch preparation. Just like if I make some biryani, I soaked my rice, I marinate my chicken. So this preparation I usually do after having my breakfast, and in between I just love to do my cleaning. Bikram also helps me a lot with cleaning. Bikram actually cleans the bathroom, toilet and also kitchen. He can clean it really well, so he does that. And this is my regular bedroom cleaning. This is not a deep cleaning, but yeah, once in a month with help of Bikram, I do my deep cleaning. But yeah, in everyday basis, I do my bedroom cleaning in this way. Sometimes, my friends, in the weekdays, I don't have much time to organize all my papers, my books, laptops, pens, everything. So in the weekends, I just do it properly, because if you have a very clean and neat table, then you have the super energy to work well. So that's what I'm doing. Here, cleaning the mirror is also in my cleaning routine. I love to do it, especially on Sundays. Once in a week, I love to do it. But yeah, in the week also sometimes I do. But in the Sundays, whenever I do all the cleaning, I love to do this cleaning as well. So yeah, here I am cleaning my mirror with help of this kitchen towel and cleansing solution. And here, my friends, you can see I have a wooden floor and white walls, so I have to take very extra care of my apartment. Every day I have to do a proper cleaning, but in the weekends I do this type of cleaning. And not only cleaning, most of the Sundays I love to organize my bedroom or my living room in a new way. I love to change my bed sheets, pillow cover, and also sometimes I just love to put some fresh flower in my living room flower vase. And you have already seen I love to organize my table as well, my work table, and I love to throw a fresh rug on the floor. So this is the way I love to organize my home, because it gives me so much of positive energy, positive vibes. And I hope you also do it, especially in the Sundays, because from Monday to Friday, it's like super busy week for all of us. So it's always a good idea to do some organization, do some decluttering, do some deep cleaning, especially in the weekdays, especially whenever your hubbies are with home. With their help, you can definitely do it. So yeah, this way I have organized my bedroom just to give it a very fresh and vibrant look. And if you want to check my room tour, room organization, kitchen tour, kitchen organization video, then you can definitely check the description box, my friends. I'll give the link in the description box. And one more thing I want to tell you, if any of you are visiting me for the first time, I live in Denmark, Europe with my husband. For his work, we have moved to Denmark, and right now we are living here for now. But originally I am from Kolkata, West Bengal. I am a Bengali girl. So yeah, here is my fresh flower, and I just love to change my flowers in most of my Sundays. So here also I have changed my flower, and this is a very beautiful and bright day. I love to see this. And after doing all the cleaning and everything, sometimes on Sunday, I love to enjoy a cup of tea around this time, like 12:30, with Bikram, especially sitting in this living room, because from my living room, I have a very nice outside view. And especially in this time, before entering into my kitchen to make lunch, I just love to take this break with Bikram. And here is my preparation going on to make a super delicious Sunday lunch. I have already started cooking, and after doing my cleaning, after relaxing for a while, sometimes around 12:30 to 1 o'clock, I come to my kitchen and I do my cooking. But yes, obviously, just like today, I do some pre-preparation after having my breakfast. So today I'm making biryani. Biryani is my family favorite, my friends. I love to make biryani, especially on Sundays. Bikram also loves to have biryani. And if any of you like having biryani, especially in the Sundays or Saturdays, in the weekend, please let me know in the comment section. Weekend is a time when we can celebrate good food, good movie. So always, my friends, I love to make sure that I make something special in the weekend. And today I'm making biryani, and I'm making it in a big portion so that in the dinner time also we can have it. So yeah, my chicken dum biryani I'm making now. And plating and garnishing also is super important, my friends, because in the Sundays we love to have our restaurant style food at home. So here I have decorated my food. Most of the days I love to decorate my food, but in Sunday it's like super special. So here is it. And here comes the most favorite part of my Sunday routine, that is evening stroll in the park. So we both love to walk around this park, especially on Sundays. Even though for my exercise, sometimes I do come this park in the morning time. But Sunday evening, in a relaxed way, we both love to come to this park to have some fresh oxygen. And we love to talk, we love to walk, and we love to do physical activities. Physical exercise is super important to have a very happy, healthy, productive life, my friends. On Sunday night, Sunday evening, I do just a little bit of light exercise because it's weekend, and Saturday I don't do exercise at all. But from Monday to Friday, I have exercise routine. In this park we have a open gym, so when in the Sundays I come to this park in the afternoon evening time, I do this type of physical activities. And you are liking my health and fitness related videos, my healthy recipe diet plan related videos, so I am super happy to tell you that I'll make more this type of video for you all, my friends. Even though it's Sunday, but still whenever I come to this park in the afternoon evening time, I love to do this type of physical activities just to keep myself fit. And after doing very light physical exercise, here I am relaxing. So as I was telling you, my friends, from Monday to Friday I do have a separate fitness routine that I have already shared, especially the morning exercise part, but many of you wanted to see my evening exercise routine that I'll share very soon in my channel, my fitness routine. But yeah, here in Sundays I just love to keep it simple, so I'm enjoying. Relaxing well is also very important, my friends, so please make sure you relax well in Sunday night and evening time, just to give it a fresh start in Monday. And for me also, I love to enjoy my Sunday night by watching some good movie. I want to have a very calm and quiet Sunday evening time with my hubby. So this way I love to spend my Sunday. In the morning, afternoon, lunchtime I did a lot of work, but now it's time to relax. And here with this positive note, I want to end my vlog today. I hope you have enjoyed my today's vlog, my friends, the way I make my Sunday very productive, that I wanted to share with you all. So if you have liked today's video, then like it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. So tata bye bye, love you.